Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa tomato. Making homemade salsa is incredibly rewarding and surprisingly simple. We'll start by selecting the freshest ingredients, ensuring your salsa has that vibrant, authentic taste. Then, I'll guide you through each step, from preparation to the final blend. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this amazing, flavorful dip that's perfect for any occasion. For our perfect salsa, you'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, 1 medium onion, and 2 jalapenos for a nice kick. Don't forget 3 cloves of garlic and a generous bunch of fresh cilantro. Start by roughly chopping all your vegetables. This makes them easier to process and ensures an even cook. Remember, fresh ingredients are key to a truly outstanding salsa. Now it's time to cook our vegetables. You can roast them in the oven for a smoky flavor or sauté them on the stovetop until they are tender. Once cooked, let the mixture cool down a bit before moving to the blender. This prevents steam buildup and ensures safety. Blend everything to your preferred consistency. Some like it chunky, others super smooth. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. The final step is all about seasoning. Add salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a good squeeze of lime juice to brighten all those flavors. Give it a good stir and then, for the best taste, chill your salsa in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve it with your favorite chips or as a topping for tacos. And hey, while you're checking out the description for other great deals, you'll also find a link for some amazing darn tough socks. They're seriously comfortable and built to last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.